Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off link history on Instagram. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to just go to your Instagram here, and this is one of the Instagram page, and this is a link. So when I click on this link, I get here two links. I will just go on this link here. Now if I want to turn off my link history, on the top right you will see the three dots. So just be careful, choose the top one. So once I click on here, you will get this option of browser settings. Now click on browser setting, and here you will see a lot of features and options, and here you can see this is a link history, and I can just turn it off. And here you can see don't allow link history. You won't see link to sites that you have visited on Instagram in app browser from the past 30 days. So I will just select on don't allow, and in this way I can turn off link history on Instagram very easily. By the way, if you want to clear the link history, you can just click on clear link history and tap on clear. Now it has been got clear, as well as it is now turned off. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.